If you're a gamer looking to switch to Linux, you might have heard of Bazzite, but does it live up to the hype as the best gaming Linux distro? Let's dig into what it offers and whether it's truly worth your time. Bazzite is designed specifically for gamers who want a seamless Linux experience. It aims to simplify the transition from Windows, boasting a user-friendly interface and a range of pre-installed gaming tools. Right off the bat, the aesthetics are impressive, with a clean layout that feels intuitive. The core functionality allows for easy installation of popular games, and it supports a variety of gaming platforms like Steam and Lutris. However, while the setup process is straightforward, it does feel like there's a learning curve for those new to Linux. The community support is decent, but it lacks the extensive documentation that some other distros offer. One notable feature is its built-in optimization tools, which promise to enhance gaming performance. Still, some users might find that certain advanced settings are a bit murky, leaving them wanting more clarity on how to tweak their systems effectively. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Bazzite offers a sleek user interface and easy access to gaming platforms, making it a solid choice for newcomers. The optimization tools are a nice touch, potentially boosting performance for various titles. However, there are some drawbacks. The community support, while helpful, isn't as robust as that of other popular distros, which might leave some users feeling stranded when issues arise. Additionally, some advanced features lack clear documentation, which can be frustrating. If you're a hardcore gamer looking for extensive customization, you might find Bazzite a bit limiting. But for casual gamers or those just dipping their toes into Linux, it could be a good fit. In summary, Bazzite is a solid contender for anyone looking to game on Linux without the steep learning curve. It's best suited for casual gamers or those new to Linux. However, if you're after deep customization or extensive community support, it might be worth exploring other options. Overall, it's worth a try if you're curious about Linux gaming.